Hi everyone, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, like always, I am going to help you elevate your look and make your everyday dressing easier. So in today's video, we are going to talk about style mistakes that you need to avoid. This is also an extension of part 1 of style mistakes. So here are another few things that you need to keep in mind while dressing up. Now, like I always say, there are no rules at all. It's only about guidelines. Now, some of the points that you might relate to and some of them you might not. I want you to watch it with an open mind and apply what works for you and leave what doesn't. But I promise you, some of them are going to be really beneficial, and when you think about them, you do realize that these are some mistakes that we can avoid. Now, I have been in fashion industry for more than 15 years and I have met women across the globe, and these are some common things that I have found out that women across the globe are making and how we can fix them. Like I said, these are just guidelines. First and the foremost rule of dressing up has to be embrace yourself and love yourself, because the real styling means feeling good and looking great.
The first mistake to avoid is not focusing on balancing your outfit. Now, we all love fitted clothes, but pairing them together can often create a visually unbalanced look. Now, take a look at this. Wearing a fitted top with tight pants can make your outfit appear too clingy. Instead, try this. While wearing skinny jeans, I'll urge that you wear a flowy shirt. This will create a neater and harmonious silhouette. And if you want to wear a fitted top, then go with the looser bottoms. Now, on to our second style mistake, wearing a belt hanging. Ladies, a belt is just not a functional accessory. It's a way to enhance your outfit. Now, to avoid this unflattering look, either find a belt that can perfectly sit in the buckle, and if it doesn't, then use this perfect hack. Get yourself a double-sided tape and just make sure that it is cut in perfect size. Now stick it onto your belt and there you go. Voila! You have a neat and a put-together appearance. Remember, a well-fitted belt can be a game changer for your overall look. And now on to our third style mistake, wearing wedges with slim fit jeans. Don't get me wrong, wedges are fabulous, but pairing them with slim fit jeans or skinny jeans again can create a visual imbalance. Remember, dressing is all about creating balance. The width of the wedges clashes with the slimness of the jeans. Instead, I would recommend, while wearing slim fit jeans, opt for open toe sandals or even flats, which will help you maintain a streamlined and a cohesive look.
So these were 3 mistakes that I think you should definitely avoid. Remember, balance your outfit, which is going to make sure that you look elevated and neat. Number 2, if you're wearing a belt, make sure it's not hanging. Either put it in the loop properly or try using the hack that I showed you by using the double tape technique. Number 3, your footwear can make or break your look. Make sure your skinny jeans are not paired with very chunky heels, because they can throw you off the balance like that. Make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you really like this video, then I am recommending you the next video here. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.